In England, just recently a man won 35 million pounds sterling in the lottery. And England, the UK stood still. And he wanted to get his hayat dunya, he wanted his dunya, and he started eating food and eating food and eating food. And this is a real story, came in our paper. He started eating food because he wanted the dunya. Bring me Italian food, bring me Russian food, bring me Chinese, bring me African, bring me, I want my dunya. He started taking in the dunya until he reached 315 pounds and he dropped dead. Within a few months, his hayat dunya destroyed him. وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. This is one of the greatest weapons in the so-called New World Order. And that is to take the people into a state of confusion.